Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Today it's a new video. I had a staycation and I decided to share it to you guys. Currently these are some orders I just received. I saw a picture of it and I loved the ceramic, the color, everything about it just gave, and I decided to get it. Do you like it? I later went on a date that evening. I tried their tofu for the first time. I loved it. Besides the noodles, which I regularly have, I have found a new favorite, which is tofu. I am having the next time I get there. These on Instagram, I think they went for 1,500 each. I wanted to try them out and see how long they would last, but I think I like a few of them. So these are what we're going to shoot during our staycation. I hope you like it. This is also the perfume I'm wearing. I don't know what is happening, but it's so hot. There's no light, no fuel. Oh my god, it rained yesterday, so thinking the day is going to get better. No, it didn't. It got hotter. It's so hot. This is me trying to do my makeup, you know, trying to look paying for the gram, you know. Didn't do too much. I don't rub foundations. I never use foundations. I just contour, highlight, my brows, lashes, lip gloss. I'm good to go. I am out the door. But this day, I don't know why I felt like I was being too extra. I think I was being too extra because no, that's not how long I do my makeup. Because I had to cut a whole 19 minutes makeup into what you're seeing currently. So I don't know what happened, but I was being extra. But I like it. In case you're wondering where I get my makeup from, I get it on Instagram from J_Vogue. In case you're looking for makeup, you're on the mainland in Lagos, you could order. They deliver nationwide, but I'm just saying, I got my makeup from them. They're cheap, affordable. They deliver same day if you order very early. So that's it. This part is not sponsored by them. I'm just telling you my honest review, okay? Now back to the makeup. To the glass of eyeliner, let me get the perfect wing liner, and then up to a little makeup, a little eyeshadow. Won't hurt you. Anyways, so this was the first time I was using a colored liner, and I would say it was a fail. I'm not ashamed to admit it. It was a fail. But I quickly covered it up with another color of liquid liner, so it looked like it was a design, but it really wasn't. It was me fucking up. Why look pink enough? So we're going to the pool. Guys, can I tell you a big secret? As much as I like to play in water, as much as I look beautiful in the water playing, I don't know how to swim. I just go in there, play a little, take pictures, and come out of it. I don't know how to swim. I was in the section where it's 3 feet. I mean, even a baby can swim in 3 feet. But I can't. I never go under the water. I never put my head inside the water. Watch it. Watch what I'm doing. I would never put my head inside the water. I'm going to float. I'm going to do everything. But I would never ever put my head underwater. I know I have trust issues when it comes to water, but please, water can be one way of someone dying. It's scary. But the scenery though, guys, tell me. The scenery is just breathtaking.